Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. That means we divide both sides by dx. So we have xy, y square, s square, so they are the root number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we just have only v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we change by vs. This one we change by this one. So this one we have 2vs square, and this one we have v square s square. Later that we simplify s square for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we divide both sides by negative number 2. Because if we put this one, we have the negative side in here, and we have another negative side. That's why we have positive when we divide in here. So we need to open parentheses. Number 2 divided by number 2, so we have v. So v I will put on the right, and we have v minus v. We cancel. And now I will put v square go to the left, dx and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one we have negative 1 over v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. And now we simplify that is about s over y. That is the end. Thank you for watching.